We're here at WSU Tech on Manufacturing Day here in Wichita, Kansas.
I love Manufacturing Day. There are so many opportunities. There's so many careers.
My favorite part of Manufacturing Day was the coding. When you see the fluid motion after you've coded, it's really cool to see that.
My favorite station was the Vex robots.
It was so cool to make a Pat-Man.
Virtual reality.
You really gain a lot more knowledge when you are doing hands-on.
Talent and people are a key element to every business, especially ours. Getting them excited about manufacturing is very important for us.
If students develop a passion for anything, they will probably be successful in life.
They get to experience it firsthand with their eyes.
Good experience.
You can learn so much from this, in a day.
A lot of fun.
It was more fun because you're involved with it.